Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a sign up form in Mailchimp. To do this, when you sign into your account, you click on audience right there, and now you can see sign up forms. So you click on that, and now you can create a new form. So just click on it. Now you will be able to choose embedded form, pop-up form, or sign up landing page. So you just basically choose the one that you need and that you like. So for example, let's choose pop-up form. Form name, let's write down pop-up YouTube example. Choose your audience and continue to the builder. Now from here, as you can see, your pop-up is currently disabled. Once you will edit it, then you will be able to, you actually are able to just click on it and it will be displayed. Now here is a mobile banner, email sign up, success, and you can also add SMS sign up. Let's choose email sign up, and now there is a layout which you can choose. So now it is this one, but you can definitely choose a different one. For example, maybe this one is more suitable for you. Now you can change the color of the button if you like, for example, like so. Or let's do it like so. And once the person clicks, they are now subscribed. They enter the email which is required. You can also add some description. For example, enter the helper text. And of course, edit your pop-up here. Choose another different heading maybe. And that's that. Now you can also position it differently. If you want, replace the image. On mobile banner, let's choose what's the layout. Oh, we cannot choose the layout here. Probably only this one changes. So let's leave it like so. And here you can only change the subscribe button. So for example, you can also do this. Now success. And then you can preview it and continue. Just like so. Now I'm gonna save the changes. And now your pop-up is done. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.